Well, good morning, everybody. Just wanted to make a quick video here. Today is the 35th anniversary of the NASA Challenger explosion in 1986, and I just kind of wanted to remember that a little bit. It was a great tragedy in the space community, and personally I think it was a great tragedy for the world. Such a horrendous explosion, and all 7 astronauts were killed. Just tragic. So first thing, I absolutely want you to not let anyone tell you that there were no astronauts, the astronauts were not killed. I don't want you to fall for that. I can guarantee you that unfortunately those astronauts were killed. I can promise you. And the last thing I want to say is to just give it a thought today. Just think about where we've come since then. It was a great tragedy, but we have made great, huge strides since 1986. I hope to see you Saturday, and you guys have a good day.